name is Srinivasan. I have been living in this house since 2008. This is our own house. Basically, I am currently working as a director in a company called Vibrant Global. Both me and Vidya are avid followers of Bhagwan Satya Sai Baba, Bhagwan Shri Sai Baba, and also we fairly sing well. So that's the ambience with which this hall has been created. That's what it is. In fact, we had this duplex, okay, and there are 2 bedrooms down below, and there's 1 master bedroom out with attached plus 2 rooms up, and then there are 2 levels of terraces, and the only way of going up was a spiral staircase. And my parents and her parents both are old; they are all 80 plus, and we were finding it very difficult to reach the upstairs. Similarly, she had some health issues because of which her legs were getting swollen. It all culminated in we opting for an option which was very good, which was compact lift which could take us up, and that's the way we got Nibav Lifts. I would say very good. Very good because this lift is pretty simple to operate with a lot of safety features. So to that extent, I think we are very satisfied. First, it's elegant, very compact, and space utilization is fantastic, and the operations are pretty simple and smooth. Post Nibav, we are having a great experience. It was purely coincidental that I chanced across Nibav Lifts, because when this requirement we got into, in fact, I googled and found a lot of options. We also called for proposals, 2-3 proposals also, which was tailor-made solutions. But none of these lifts were typically like we were looking at cage lifts, we were like looking at open platform lifts. But this was an option which was par excellence. But only limitation was the head height. So, we wanted to figure it out when this could fit in. So, however, the engineer could figure it out, and you could make a very special lift for us with little bit height getting reduced. So that was an option which was very suitable for this kind of head height. I think simplicity, elegance, the looks, and also the safety features. One is, I think I was impressed by the child lock system. Once you can park it up or down and just put the main switch off inside, it gets locked, so the children cannot tamper it. That's one. Second is, when you are on the first floor, within 30 seconds it gets locked, and once you press the button, then only the lock gets deactivated. That's an excellent feature, because typically if you look at children, they have a tendency to tamper with this. That was a very, very good feature. Third feature is, in terms of power failure, when it is below just above the ground level, it would automatically come down. That's one feature. And secondly, even if it is going up and up to a particular level, you have the emergency buttons. If you press that, then it goes to the level and just opens up. I think I have made some 2-3 referrals. Let's see if it fructifies. So very nice feature. The safety features were very good.